In the modern world, the importance of clear communication cannot be overstated. Every society depends upon the free exchange of ideas, information, and knowledge. The spoken word, the printed page, and the digital message are all channels through which human beings connect with one another. Among these, the ability to listen attentively and record information accurately has always been valued. Whether in the court of a king, the office of a minister, or the meeting room of a company, the skill of stenography, which combines quick listening with faster writing, continues to play an important role in administration. Although technology has made dictation machines and transcription software widely available, the trained stenographer is still considered reliable, precise, and indispensable in many fields. The Government of India has long recognized the necessity of maintaining a competent stenographic workforce in ministries, departments, and public offices. Stenographers act as the bridge between officers and the written record. A file, a letter, or a report prepared with accuracy by a stenographer ensures that communication flows without delay. When meetings are held or statements are delivered in Parliament, the exact reproduction of words is of great significance. In such circumstances, even a small error can alter meaning or create confusion. Therefore, training in shorthand is not merely a test of speed, but also a test of concentration, comprehension, and responsibility. Examinations for stenographers are designed to select candidates who possess both mental alertness and practical skill. The SSC stenographer examination, for example, assesses not only shorthand ability but also knowledge of general awareness, reasoning, and language. This is because a stenographer is expected to understand the subject matter he or she is recording, and not simply to copy words without meaning. A good stenographer develops the capacity to follow complex discussions, legal arguments, or technical explanations, and to render them faithfully in written form. This is why practice in dictation passages of different themes, social, political, scientific, and cultural, is necessary for all aspirants. Communication is central not only in the government, but also in the progress of society at large. The advances of science and technology have transformed the way people interact, trade, and travel. 50 years ago, it took days for a letter to reach from one city to another. Today, a message can reach the other end of the globe in a second. Yet, Despite such progress, the need for trained human effort has not disappeared. Machines can record sound, but they cannot always distinguish between important and unimportant points. A person with judgment, patience, and linguistic ability is required to prepare an accurate record. Hence, stenographers continue to have opportunities both in the public sector and in private organizations. The role of stenography may also be seen as part of the larger question of skill development. India is a young country with a vast population. To turn this human resource into human capital, it is essential to equip youth with employable skills. Schemes of the government, such as Skill India Mission, seek to provide training in a variety of trades. Stenography is one such trade where employment opportunities remain steady. Young candidates, especially those with an interest in office work, law, media, or administration, can find this skill highly useful. Beyond employment, shorthand also trains the mind. It requires discipline, memory, and the ability to grasp ideas quickly. A student who practices shorthand daily becomes more attentive in reading and listening. The same qualities are helpful in all walks of life, whether in studying for other examinations, engaging in public speaking, or handling personal responsibilities. Thus, the value of shorthand extends beyond the immediate task of transcription. It is also important to note that government service carries with it a sense of duty. The stenographer is often privy to confidential information. Maintaining secrecy and integrity is a moral obligation, as well as a professional requirement. Files relating to national security, financial policy, or administrative reform cannot be exposed to careless handling. The stenographer who respects the trust placed in him or her serves the nation indirectly but significantly. Respect for rules, punctuality, and accuracy are the hallmarks of this service. India is a country of great diversity, with so many languages, dialects, and cultural traditions. The role of English and Hindi as linked languages has grown. Stenographers in government offices are often expected to work in both. The ability to switch between languages, to translate, and to record faithfully is therefore an added advantage. Language is not merely a tool of communication, it is also a means of unity. By ensuring that communication in administration is smooth, stenographers contribute to national integration in their own way. In conclusion, Shorthand is not an outdated art, but a living skill. While technology evolves, the human mind and its capacity for judgment remain at the center of administration.